Welcome to Inert Chemistry. In today's video lecture, we focus on urea cycle disorders. In the previous video, we studied urea cycle and we had learned that urea cycle consists of 5 steps and 5 enzymes are involved in urea cycle. So if any of these enzymes is defective, then it can cause problem or disorder. So on the basis of these enzymes, there are different disorders related to urea cycle. The first enzyme involved is carbamoyl phosphate synthetase 1. If this enzyme do not work properly or this enzyme is missing, then hyperammonemia type 1 disease occurs. Similarly, the second enzyme is ornithine transcarbamylase. This enzyme converts the carbamoyl phosphate to citrulline, and in short it is called as OTC. If this enzyme is defective, then hyperammonemia type 2 occurs. The third enzyme is arginosuccinate synthetase. This enzyme is involved in the formation of arginosuccinate from citrulline and aspartate. If this arginosuccinate synthetase do not work, it leads to citrullinemia. In this condition, citrulline is accumulated in blood. Similarly, the fourth enzyme is arginosuccinase, or also called as arginosuccinate lyase. When this enzyme is defective, it results in arginosuccinic aciduria, a disorder, and there is more arginosuccinate that is released in the urine. And the last is arginase. When arginase enzyme is defective, it leads to hyperarginemia. So there are 5 different enzymes, and if any one of these enzymes is defective, then it leads to a specific disorder. Similarly, you know that ornithine is present in the cytosol, but citrulline formation requires ornithine within the mitochondria. For the movement of ornithine from cytosol to mitochondria, there is ornithine transporter protein. If this ornithine transporter protein is defective, it leads to hyperornithemia, or it is also called as HHH syndrome. The other disease associated with urea cycle is N-acetyl glutamate synthase deficiency. In this case, N-acetyl glutamate is not working properly. This N-acetyl glutamate is an allosteric regulator of carbamoyl phosphate synthase 1. So if it is defective or missing, it leads to N-acetyl glutamate synthase deficiency. You have to remember all these diseases only as a short answer question. This topic, urea cycle disorder, is not mentioned in our course outline. We will have to remember it only for a short question, but if you want to see its discussion or you want to learn it properly, then please read these slides carefully